Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and getting Snipe It files in place. Install PHP, MySQL or MariaDB, Composer, and a web server, because missing extensions break setup. Once done, create the database and a dedicated DB user with proper privileges so Snipe It can read and write safely. Then download and extract Snipe It to your document root, copying the environment example to env so you can edit DB connection strings and app keys before running Composer install. You now configure and run the installer. Update. Env with app URL, database credentials, and mail settings so notifications work. This step avoids later email failures. Run Composer install to fetch dependencies, then PHP Artisan key, generate and PHP Artisan migrate to create tables. Seed initial data if needed. Make sure storage and bootstrap/cache are writable by the web server user so uploads and caches persist. Once migrations finish, create your admin user and verify login to proceed to asset import. You finish by bringing assets and settings into active use and validating them. Import CSVs or use the API. Map fields thoughtfully to avoid mismatched serials or locations, and then set up users, licenses, and locations to reflect real workflows. Configure scheduled backups and review storage/logs/Laravel. Log regularly to catch errors early. If an import fails or pages show 500 errors, check file permissions. Env credentials and database migrations. Rerun PHP Artisan migrate, fresh only on staging or with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.